In this lesson, you'll learn how to apply styles and themes to your Android apps. In the API Demos worksheet, let's filter the demo name for theme. And let's look at the code for the HoloLight theme demo on line 186 that has the Java file name of controls3. Let's first fire it up in the emulator. We'll click on Views, Controls, and HoloThemeLight. And now let's open the Java source. So in the View source folder, we'll open controls3. And we see that all it does is extend the class controls1. So let's go back and open controls1. In line 39, we see that the setContentView method is using controls1 layout. And we're focusing on styles and themes in this lesson, so we won't go over the other Java code. So let's go to the Layouts folder and open controls1. A first observation we can make is we're not seeing much in the way of style attributes as we scroll down. In line 60 and 61, we have some padding specs for a checkbox. In line 89, we have a style with a question mark indicator, and the question mark tells Android to use, in this case, star style from the currently applied theme. In a moment, we'll see where that currently applied theme, HoloLight, is specified. And further down, we have a few more references to styles within the current theme, for example, in line 113. So the heavy lifting for styling the look of this demo is being done by the HoloLight theme. Now let's see where the HoloLight theme is specified. And to find it, we'll look in the manifest. So we go back to the Package Explorer, go down to find the manifest. There it is. We'll open that. And let's first look at the Application tab, at the Application Attributes. And we see that no theme is specified. It's blank. In the Manifest tab, if we click on Uses SDK here, we see that the target SDK version is 16. So the system will apply the Holo theme, not HoloLight theme, at an application level. Back in the Application tab, down below in the Application Nodes, we'll look for our list of controls demo activities. So to do that, we'll sort them alphabetically. The API Demos has a lot of activities, so they'd be hard to locate without this sort. So we go down to the Views area. Here we see them. Let's expand this so we can see what we're doing. As I click on an activity, notice the information showing up on the right. In this case, the theme is showing as Android style theme.light. Now, if I click through the rest of the controls demo activities, and you watch over on the right, you'll see the theme change. Now let's go back to the controls3 activity that we're examining in our Java code. And the theme specified here is theme.holo.light. And this is the theme that's controlling the appearance of the emulator screen that we see here. Now, I'll click the activity Controls5, and we see that the theme is prefixed by style instead of, in Controls3, it was prefixed by Android. This means that the Controls5 style is defined in the styles file in the values resource folder. So let's take a look. We'll go to the values folder, and now we're going to open the styles file. And we have a number of style definitions, including one called custom theme. And that's the style that's applied to the Control5 demo, specified here, style custom theme. So in our emulator, we look at the custom theme. We see this blue background, and go back to the code where the background is being defined with the color, custom theme color, and that is defined up here using the color element, and it's defined as B0B0FF. And we can use a website like the Adobe Cooler site at cooler.adobe.com. If we go to the Create page, and down here we put in that value, B0, B0, FF, we get the blue color from our background. And one last thing to mention, if you recall from our lesson on resources, you're able to specify different resources for different device versions. As an example, let's look in the resources values-v11 styles file. And we see that, for example, for API 11 and later, the Android theme.holo is used as a parent for ThemeHolo. And if we look in the main styles XML file, we see that in releases 11 and below, the Android theme will be used. This lets you adjust the appearance of your app depending on the release level on the individual user's device. But that's our lesson on applying styles and themes to your Android apps. And the styles and themes are really a powerful tool for managing the appearance of your applications.